Hi, and welcome to Levon's Kitchen. Today we are in the kitchen making some barbecue sauce. It's going to be a tangy barbecue sauce, a pineapple bourbon barbecue sauce. So it's going to have a little sweetness to it too. It's only a few ingredients, as you can see. A little brown sugar, some bourbon, some pineapple. So first of all, we got to cook the barbecue. We're going to cook the pineapple. We're going to slice up our pineapple, season it, and soak it in that bourbon. And then we're going to cook it so that all of that goodness is inside of the pineapple. I want mine sliced thick into chunks. You can slice yours however you want it, but make sure you can get it on the grill. So I'm just going to put the bourbon in a container and then go ahead and soak the pineapple in the bourbon so that it's all nice and juicy. It's already a good and sweet pineapple, but now we want to give it a little of that bourbon flavor. And then I'm going to sweeten it up a little bit more because I'm going to take some brown sugar next and take the brown sugar and put it all on top of the pineapples. Look at this. Just season it up with brown sugar. Make it a little bit more sweet, okay? Then we're going to put it on the grill so all that goodness goes into it. Make sure you spray your grill so that the pineapple don't stick first, okay? So we're going to put that on the grill, cook it on both sides because we want all of that goodness to soak into that pineapple, all right? Because we're going to use the pineapple in the barbecue sauce. So let's cook it first. You see we got a little bit more juice left in the pan. We're going to put that juice to good use. Look at that. It even has grill marks on it. Now we're going to take the rest of that juice and dip those pineapples back in there. And now we're going to take it, put it in our blender, and you take your favorite type of barbecue sauce, and we're just going to blend it all up together. Now take this delicious sauce and use it on your ribs, your wings, whatever it is you want to put that sauce on, but it is delicious. So enjoy, and thank you for joining me in Levon's Kitchen.